Welcome back to Auto Drive, your trusted destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive updates, and detailed insights into every new release that hits the market. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now and join our growing community so you never miss any updates about the cars you love. Today we are diving into a full review of the 2026 Doug Super Bin, a car that blends design, technology, performance, and luxury into one package. Stay with us until the end of the video because I am going to break down all the key details, from the engine and transmission to interior comfort, exterior design, handling, safety, infotainment, and every notable update for this model year. Watching the entire review will give you a complete picture of whether the 2026 Doug Super Bin is the right choice for you. Starting with the engine, the 2026 Doug Super Bin is offered in multiple configurations depending on trim and package selection. Buyers can opt for a refined V6 designed to balance fuel economy with smooth delivery of power, or a more robust V8 that emphasizes raw performance and higher torque output. The displacement figures vary with trim, but the larger engines push horsepower figures well past the competitive mark, while torque is tuned for responsive acceleration on both highways and city driving. This setup makes the Doug Super Bin versatile, appealing to drivers who want efficiency as well as those who prioritize stronger performance. The engines are paired to a transmission system that can either be a responsive automatic for easy daily driving or a manual option for enthusiasts who still value direct control. Gear count depends on configuration, with advanced multi-speed automatics available to maximize both performance and fuel economy. The drive type options further increase its appeal. Drivers can choose from rear-wheel drive for a more traditional and balanced handling feel, front-wheel drive for improved efficiency and cost-effectiveness, or all-wheel drive for maximum traction and confidence in all weather conditions. This flexibility makes the 2026 Doug Super Bin adaptable across different markets and consumer needs, and it is a strong point for the brand in 2026. Moving into the interior, the Doug Super Bin has been designed with comfort and practicality at its core. Depending on the trim, it can seat 4 to 5 passengers comfortably, with ample legroom and headroom across both rows. The higher trims feature premium materials, including high-quality leather upholstery, wood trim on the dashboard and doors, and chrome accents that add a touch of elegance. Base trims may use durable cloth upholstery, but even those are well made and comfortable. Heated seats, cooled seats, and power-adjustable configurations make it easy for drivers and passengers to find the perfect position. Cabin insulation has been improved in the 2026 model year to ensure a quieter and more refined driving experience, especially at higher speeds. The exterior design of the 2026 Doug Super Bin reflects a modern yet bold character. It comes in a sleek body style that stands out with a long and wide stance, aerodynamic shaping, and sharp lines that convey sportiness. Dimension-wise, the car carries an extended wheelbase that contributes to both interior space and stability on the road. Length, width, and height are optimized to give the car a road presence that feels both commanding and elegant. Special trims may include unique grille designs, chrome detailing, and exclusive alloy wheels that set them apart. The lighting signature has been modernized with LED headlamps and taillights that create a distinctive presence at night. Suspension and handling remain another highlight of the Doug Super Bin. Independent suspension setups are standard, ensuring each wheel responds to road conditions individually for a smoother ride. Higher trims may feature sport-tuned suspensions or adaptive dampers for drivers who prioritize performance handling. Shock absorbers are upgraded in 2026 for durability and comfort, while steering is typically rack and pinion based, offering precise feedback and control. This combination makes the vehicle comfortable for daily commuting while still fun to drive on longer or more spirited trips. Braking is handled by disc brakes on all 4 corners in most trims, with larger disc sizes on performance variants. This ensures strong stopping power and reliability in various driving conditions. The brake system integrates with electronic aids like ABS and brake force distribution to enhance safety. Speaking of safety, The 2026 Doug Superbin is equipped with a suite of modern protections. Multiple airbags across the cabin, including front, side, and curtain coverage, provide peace of mind in case of a collision. The anti-lock braking system prevents wheels from locking during sudden stops, while electronic stability control works to keep the vehicle stable in sharp turns or slippery roads. Many trims also offer driver assistance features such as lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, keeping the car competitive with modern safety expectations. The infotainment system in the Doug Superbin has also received upgrades for 2026. Depending on the trim, you will find a large central touchscreen supporting radio, CD player for classic media lovers, and advanced navigation systems with real-time traffic updates. Bluetooth connectivity and GPS are standard on most trims, while higher models include premium sound systems, wireless phone charging, and full smartphone integration. This makes long drives more entertaining and ensures drivers remain connected. Additional features across trims include power windows and locks, cruise control, and sunroof options. Premium trims go further with panoramic glass roofs that enhance the feeling of openness inside the cabin. Convenience and usability are key focuses, and every element has been designed to make daily use more enjoyable. Luxury buyers will appreciate the premium upholstery options, wood and chrome accents, and exclusive trim packages that elevate the sense of craftsmanship. Performance enthusiasts can opt for high-performance engines and sport suspension setups. Those who care about design may enjoy the special edition trims that bring unique grills, bold wheels, and custom badging. These options make the Doug Superbin versatile, fitting a wide range of buyers. For 2026, some notable updates include refined engine tuning for better efficiency, upgraded cabin insulation, refreshed exterior styling elements, and improved infotainment software. These updates ensure the Doug Superbin stays modern and competitive within its class. As we wrap up this detailed review, the 2026 Doug Superbin stands out as a strong contender in the market, offering buyers flexibility in powertrains, a comfortable and luxurious interior, bold exterior styling, advanced safety, and a modern infotainment experience. Whether you are seeking a reliable daily driver, a luxurious cruiser, or a performance-focused machine, this car has a configuration designed for you. Thank you for watching this review here on Auto Drive. If you enjoyed the breakdown and want to see more detailed reviews of the latest cars from around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more automotive content and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Doug Superbin.
And whether you would consider owning one. This has been Auto Drive, and we will see you in the next video.